Alright guys, so you'll see my bedroom. It is a hot mess right now, and I have to try to make it look like something before I crawl into bed. So many things to put away, things to organize. I have this whole basket of stuff, of clothes, and just a whole set of things to put away. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Let me show you. Over on this side is another even hotter mess. So I'm not even going to concentrate on that side, honestly guys, because this side just needs a whole redoing. So I removed the TV. I removed the TV from the room, and so we have that patch there that I was lazy to remove the TV stand when I was painting. So we have that patch over there that I need to paint over. And then on this side, I removed the mirror. And so we have that whole thing to redo. So it's just a situation. That's what I can say. So it's a situation. So I'm not even going to deal with that side. Just put stuff away, organize as much as I can. I'm going to try to get that basket empty, put stuff away, and change out the sheets, make up the bed. Let me show you over on this side. So over on this side, I have a whole set of stuff that I have to organize and put under the bed. So I'm ashamed to say that this is the bag that I used for my trip to NYC. And it's still there the same way. I haven't looked at it. I haven't touched it. So it is what it is. So I'm going to try to get to that there also tonight. Try, no promises. That's the goal for today, for tonight, sorry. That's the goal for tonight. Let's see how far I can reach. If I can at least make that side of the room look and feel like a bedroom. All right, guys, so let's begin.